Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to project management in ERPNext. We'll begin by navigating to the project list. In the Awesome bar, search for Project List and click on the result to open the list. After that, click on Add Project List to create a new project list. Then, click on Edit Full Form to proceed. Click on Project Name and enter the name of your project. Next, click on Status and select the appropriate project status. After that, click on Project Type and select the type of project. Continue by clicking on Is Active and selecting the relevant option. Click on Complete Method and choose the method of completion. Afterward, click on From Template and select a template if needed. Next, click on Expected Start Date and choose the start date, then click on Expected End Date and select the end date. Proceed by clicking on Priority and selecting the project's priority level. Next, click on Department and choose the department responsible for the project. Then, click on Customer Details and click on Customer to select the customer. After that, click on Notes and enter any project-related information and details. Move on to the Monitor and Billing section, click on Estimated Cost and enter the estimated cost for the project. Click on Default Cost Center and select the appropriate cost center. After entering all the required details, verify the information. And finally, click on Save to the project.